Alright, we got a keyboard, a mechanical keyboard from Zifriend. It has backlit RGB, an ergonomic design, fast response time, angled design, and mechanical switches. Let's get unboxing. Alright, this is the keyboard. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is the COS 646 646 version. I went with the red switches, if you can tell. And got the wires here. Oh, we got a keycaps puller. That's nice. 2 extra switches. Thoughtful. Oh, also a small manual. Alright. This will be the keyboard inside here. 3, 2, 1. Here is the bad boy. A sweet mechanical keyboard I got in here, Asia. You know how much this cost? Originally it cost like $12, but I got this in a promo for $9. A $9 mechanical keyboard. Like, just hear how it sounds. Okay, that's enough. For $9, this is a steal, an absolute steal. It's really good and has RGB as well, customizable RGB. No software though, no software yet. And there we go. This is the colorway of the RGB. Got yellow, red, purple. I think this is neon and pink. Let's see the colorways. Oh, it slowly disappears. Okay, and that's typically it. A $9 keyboard with all of this is really good. I mean, there's like other keyboards that's better for like a few more dollars, 15 to 20, but for $9, this is the best you're gonna get. Alright, hope you guys like the showcase. This is the best keyboard at $9 again. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel. Peace out. Get this in Asia though. It's really cheap. Anything in Asia is cheap.